Good morning everyone, I am Christian J. Villanueva. My topic is about expected utility model. Introduction. Decision making under uncertainty is a crucial aspect as economics, finance, and psychology. The expected utility model provides a framework for analyzing how individuals make choices when faced with risk. This model helps explain why people often avoid risky situations despite potential financial gains. Additionally, risk aversion play a significant role in shaping decision-making behavior. This report explored the expected utility theory risk aversion in their application in real-world scenario. Next. Expected utility model. The expected utility model was developed by John von Neumann and Oscar Morgenstern as part of their work on game theory and decision analysis. It is based on assumption the individual do not merely maximize expected monetary value but instead maximize expected utility, which reflects their subjective preferences. For example, consider a person deciding whether to participate in a gamble. Option 1, gamble. 50% chance of winning 200 pesos and 50% chance of losing 100 pesos. Option 2, certain outcome, granted 50 pesos. If the person is risk averse, this utility function will become concave, meaning that the negative impact of losing 100 outweigh the positive impact of winning 200 pesos. Thus, even if the expected monetary value of the gamble is positive 50 pesos, they may prefer to guaranteed 50 pesos because it offers higher expected utility. Risk aversion. Risk aversion is a tendency to favor certain outcome over uncertain ones. Even when the uncertain option has a higher expected monetary value, this behavior arises because people experience diminishing marginally utility of wealth. The more money they have, the less additional satisfaction they gain from extra income. Type of risk attitude. Risk aversion individual prefer a guaranteed amount over a gamble with the same expected value. Have a concave utility function. Example, choosing a fixed salary over a commission-based job with uncertain income. Risk neutral individual. Indifferent between a gamble and a guaranteed amount with the same expected value have a linear utility function. Example, a corporation making investment decisions purely based on expected returns. Risk-seeking individuals prefer gambles over certain outcomes with the same expected value, have a convex utility function. Example, gambler who enjoy the thrill of uncertainty. And that's all. Thank you.